Hey guys, in this video, we'll check out MIUISR for the Mi 11X, that's the device right here, also known as the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40. So this is what the home screen looks like. It's basically MIUI 13 based on MIUI VN. Anyways, let's just see the changelog. I have Telegram right here and let's go to MIUISR. So they had a total of 3 builds. I have the latest one with me. Let's go to the changelog one by one. So it says decrypted, Orange Fox recovery injected. So it has Orange Fox recovery if you install it. And if you just want to install Orange Fox recovery as a standalone, there's a card right here and a link will be in the description below. Second point, it's debloated, but it's not. It says you can still uninstall some system apps in case you don't want, but they have bloat. So if I just go to, let's say, not this, I don't consider the tools as bloat, but you have Alipay, AMAP, and a lot of other things like Baidu and browser and some more things. So it's not debloated, it has bloat in it. So we should call it a debloated ROM. Anyways, next thing is remove Google privacy indicators, and it is not removed, it is disabled. You can just go to security and enable it. Now it says contact header icon is replaced with text. That's a minor thing. Mi 11X related issues found. I don't know what issues are there. They have added anti-flicker option. So if I just go to settings, oh yeah, this looks cool. And I'll say it again, I have said it a lot of times before. I hate this notification error because I can't swipe from right to left to cancel out a notification. As you can see, it'll just go to the quick settings. Anyways, if I want to expand something, I can't do that too. I have to do it with 2 hands. What's the use of a notification shade if you are using 2 fingers to take an action on a notification? So just poor implementation in my opinion. Anyways, what I was showing was anti-flicker mode. I'll just go to display and it has anti-flicker mode. So it has regular and anti-flicker. So there's that. Anyways, you can see the refresh rate right here. It's 120 Hz. Now you can change it to 120. They have added an option of 90 and the standard 60. Now I can change it to 90, 120 and 60. But if I just set it to 90, my peak refresh rate and my minimum refresh rate will be set to 120, 90 or 60. So let's say it's 120. If I just go to any application right here, let's say if I just open up Netflix, it will stay at 120 as you can see right here. It does not change. If I just go to, let's say, YouTube and let's play one of my videos, I believe, yeah, it stays at 120. It does not go back to 60. The only time it goes back to 60 is when I open the camera. And yes, this has, as you can see, it's 60 right now, the refresh rate toggle. And yeah, this has the MIUI camera, so all the bells and whistles of MIUI camera. Also, you can just sideload Google camera, Gcam, and enjoy extra sharpness, extra detail for your photos. Anyways, I was going to Telegram. Let's see what all is there. And here we have, it says added 90 Hz option in display settings and PUBG. That's true. I just showed you 90 Hz. Let's just set it to 90 Hz. I hate 90 Hz because after you have used 120 Hz, 90 Hz will still feel like a downgrade. Of course, if you are using 60 Hz, 90 Hz will feel like an upgrade, but if you're using 120 and go to 90, it will feel like a downgrade. Anyways, I'll just go here. So it says added 90 Hz option in PUBG, and it's true. You get smooth at 90 FPS in PUBG. And regarding PUBG, when I played it, the device got warm, and it got warm to the point that it was almost hot. So there's that. Also, it says now you can update system app from installer, so you can do that. So you can add widgets too. I can just swipe and add widgets. There are a lot of widgets right here, as you can see, and a lot of them work. If I just take the weather right here and wait for a bit, and let's say agree and allow while using the app, and it says I have 30. Oh god, it's too hot here. It's 36 degrees here in Noida. It's not even April or May and it's still 36. I'm sweating right here. Anyways, let's just go to the Telegram again. It says option choose between Google search and MIUI quick search. So you can this search bar, it's basically defaulted to MIUI, but you can change it to Google, but you have to install the Google app first. Also, this does not have a discover page like the global versions of MIUI. It has an app vault page and I have disabled it. To enable it, you can just go to pinch, go to settings, go to more, and it has app vault right here. You can just turn it on and you have app vault right here. Anyways, I like to turn it off, and let's go to more and I'll turn it off. And rest of the options here are same. Arrange item and recents. This is how it will be, but I like this one, and this is how it should be. And I just misaligned my phone right there. All right, next thing, let's just go to Telegram and see. So it's option to choose in inbuilt ad block injected. So yeah, I didn't get any ads. Dark mode is fixed, etc, etc. Also, if you just go to the Play Store, this device is certified. Just go to the Play Store, and why is it taking so much time? Anyways, let's just go to settings, about, and it says device is certified. So great thing right here. Anyways, next thing is some bugs fixed. Added option to use MIUI 13 control center. So that's the control center. I hate this one, but it's there. Added 4K option in camera settings. So if you just go to camera and go to video, and it says 4K 30 and 4K 60 right there. So you have 4K 60 in camera. Anyways, let's just close this camera, go to Telegram again. So unlimited Google Photos option. Now, if you like MIUI, if you like the implementations of MIUI, but you want that unlimited Google photo storage, this is perfect. So what I mean to say here is, if I just go to photos, I'll just skip to photos because there are a lot of photos that I don't want to show. It says backing up from this pixel is free and unlimited. So they changed the signature of this device to a pixel device, and the photo storage is free. That's pretty cool. So for the battery, for the charging, it's same. It's MIUI 33 watt fast charging. For the battery, I am a light user here because this is my second phone, only used for media and gaming with PUBG and BGMI, and I believe NBA and UFC. So with heating, it got hot. While playing PUBG, it got quite warm to the point where it was hot when playing PUBG at smooth at 90. With Call of Duty, you can get medium at 120 FPS, and then after that, it's just 60 FPS. Anyways, as for screen on time, I got around 6 to 6.5 hours, which is exactly like MIUI, the global version. So there's that. And yeah, for performance, this ROM is pretty smooth, as you can see. No jitters right here. Actually, I'm also liking this 90 Hz mode. And yeah, it has Dolby Atmos because it's MIUI. Anyways, as for the performance scores, I don't know why people do want those performance scores, but we'll see that. But first of all, let's just go to settings. I should have done this in the beginning, but I'll just go to my device. It says MIUI version, MIUISR by Zero Light, 22.3.3, my device name and storage. And if I just see all specs, it says my kernel is 4.19.157 perf and some identifier. So it has the perf kernel. Anyways, let's just go. You saw that animation. I just love this animation. And if I just swipe home, you see the settings animation, the gear rolls. Pretty cool. Yeah, the performance scores. If I just go to gallery, so with Geekbench, I got a single core score of 960 and a multi-core of 3167. Almost the same as MIUI. So there's that. And if I just went to Antutu, I got a score of 6.5 lakhs, which is less than MIUI. I believe the MIUI was 6.7 lakhs. I tried the performance mode too, and I got 6,66,000 with performance mode, 6,67,000 on performance mode. You can just go to battery and select the performance mode. With CPU throttle, you can see the graph, pretty nice symphony. So CPU throttle is 78% with the average of 2,42,000, minimum of 203 and maximum of 275. So maximum is a lot, but you can see the graph. Anyways, that benchmark doesn't matter a lot because the device is running smoothly. Now let's see how to install it. But there are a few prerequisites. So first things first, you should have MIUI. Now if you don't know how to install MIUI, there's a link, there's a card right here, and a link of it will be in the description below. And then you should have an unlocked bootloader. Of course, if you don't know how to do that, a card and a link in the description below, then you must have a custom recovery installed. Same thing here, a link will be in the description below. Now last things, just go to this particular Telegram channel and download it. I'll put a link of this Telegram channel in the description below. What I do now is copy that particular file onto my pen drive on my OTG cable. Okay, here's my OTG cable. I have copied my pen drive, copied the files on this OTG cable. Now what you have to do is power off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then just go into recovery mode. Now to go into recovery, it's volume up and power at the same time, and in a few seconds, Mi logo should appear. After you get a vibration, just leave the buttons. And here you have SKK K3WRP. This is one of the best TWRP that I've seen because under 12 is decryptable. If you see the flicker right here, it's because of the camera, not because of MIUI, not because of Mi11X. Anyways, this is my OTG. I'll just connect it right here, and let's just go to wipe, advanced wipe, and just wipe out Dalvik. Anyways, let's go back, install. So I have already selected my OTG. Now I have MIUISR right here. It's MIUISR underscore 22.3.3 underscore v2. So this v2. Anyways, I'll just deselect this, automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM to see the orange box recovery. Anyways, swipe to confirm, and this might take time, so I suggest you grab a cup of coffee or something to eat, and we'll be back in a couple of minutes. And by the power of video editing, I'll speed this up. And as you can see, it's done. I got no updates. I'll just wipe Dalvik. What I like to do now is go to wipe, format data, and type in YESES. And just for the sake of this video, I'll just reboot to recovery again, just to see that orange box recovery. Where's the recovery? Right here. I'll just wait for a couple of seconds, and I'll get the vibration. So orange box recovery. Anyways, let's just go to reboot and then system and see MIUISR. Now the first reboot will take some time, 30 minutes or a minute, 30 seconds or a minute, so don't panic. Now one of the great things about this particular setup, which you'll see in a while, is that it has the Google setup wizard. So I can use my Google account to transfer all my data from one device to the other. Now with global ROM, I could not do that, so that's pretty cool. You can also do it with the EU ROM, but there's that. With EU ROMs, you don't get a refresher toggle as well as the AI enhancement toggle. So there you have it, MIUISR version 2. Now when I installed this, version 2 was the latest one, and version 3 came out after a couple of days, so I did not have time to check that. I'll just check it right now and give you my verdict in a day or two. So anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button. It looks something like this. I think it's something like this. Share it with your friends so that they also know how to install MIUISR on their Mi11X, Poco F3 or the Redmi K40. Comment for any queries regarding this ROM or any other ROM out there. And if you want me to try other ROMs, let me know in the comments as well. And since you're commenting, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.